you got it right here.
Oh, the evil Lord himself. Handstand? No, the hard flip.
You guys, like, you're supposed to be professionals. Okay, so this is Carlos Lastra. Jason Park here is going to teach me how to 360 hard flip.
My name's Jason.
Park.
I'm going to teach Carlos how to 3-hard because I know he could do it. It's not that bad. You can hard flip?
Yeah, just learned it a couple months ago.
Okay, yeah, if you can hard flip, you can 3-hard. The difference is like going from a varial heel to a laser flip. Same thing, hard flip to 3-hard. Like when I varial heel, I'll set up like, you know, this or something. When I laser flip, I'll move my front foot a little higher up so that it flips slower. And
is that way, like, gets the rotation, like, gets your front foot out of the way so it doesn't touch it?
Kind of. It's more just like so it'll flip, heel flip, like a little slower. So when it rotates around horizontally, it'll flip slower and match up with the 3-shove instead of the regular shove. So like if I hard flip like this, then for the 3-hard, I'll move my front foot up so that when I'm doing the full rotation, it'll flip a little slower and it'll match up. I don't know. It's like varial heel to laser flip, same thing. Hard flip to 3-hard. It's all foot positioning and just scooping a little harder. It's not that bad. Yeah, so that's hard flip. And now try and do the same thing. Move your front foot up a little higher and just kick it around. Exactly. That's good.
So it's really hard on flat ground. I'm going to try to take it down to 3.
That would be the easier way.
Okay,
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a couple hard flips and then go from there.
Perfect.
See how many tries it takes.
That's what it's all about here at Braille. We're talking handstands, 360 hard flips, bungees, handstands, walking around with shoes on your hands. This is Braille skateboarding, and you saw it here first. Carlos is going for the hard flip. Oh, the handstand? No, the hard flip. All right, let's see that hard flip. Let me see a donkey roll. There you go. Yeah, it is. That's it. Obviously, he can hard flip. So next is at the 3-hard. You trying hard flip again, or were you going for 3-hard?
See, like, where I gotta, like, ease up on the flick, you know?
Yeah, just move your front foot. Yeah, that's fair.
Thank God for those FPNs, man.
No use besides their breakfast menu. Yeah, so however you do it, just move your front foot up. Same, like I said, varial heel to laser flip, same thing.
So
if your
same
foot,
with my back foot, push it.
Yeah, push it harder, pop it, push it harder, push it to the limits, walk along the razor's edge, move the front foot up, do a handstand. You're going home to mama with a sweet little gift.
All right.
He's gonna do a 3-hard. See, there you go.
I really tried though.
Yeah, you got it.
Really tried
It's not, I told you, it's not that bad. He's got it. Oh, he's got it. You need the bungee, Carlos? Oh, there you go. Well, it's like they say, you wear the skin of the beast for too long, the man inside dies. I think that about explains it. There you go. Just bring it around town. Oh, a 360-degree shove it of the pop variety. All right, here comes Kralos. There you go. Here we go, Kralos Loose Street. Oh, okay. Kralon Prostrus, rolling up. Oh, Kralos. Kralos, Kralos, Kralos. Kralos has got it, for sure. I believe in Kralos. Oh my, a 362-degree pop shove it of the front side variety, wearing the skin of the beast, Kralos Pastrami! Oh, Kralisius Maximus. Oh, he grabbed the board as if going for a late handstand, but he was too close to the ground. I've never in my life seen a 3-hard late handstand, but He could be the first to do it. Mind blower. Today's trick is sponsored by handstands. Is it in you yet? Just focus on the flip, you know, because you got the rotation every time.
So front foot more?
Yeah, just mess with your front foot, you know. I mean, some of them you're about to roll away on. You pretty much have it. Just once you flip it good, it's right there, baby. Oh, you boy. Oh, he's got it. You got it.
One update. I'm actually starting to pay attention to everything I'm doing wrong so I can fix it now.
Exactly.
Right there, I'm flicking too early. That's what I know. If I wait just a little bit more, I'll try it.
That's how I got my dad to love me again. Oh, Lestros. Here comes Craylon. Oh, Crayola Lestrola.
Got it in my head. It's there. Got it.
This next try is not sponsored. Oh.
How long did it take you to learn these?
Well, actually, what I should have told him, and it doesn't really matter. I learned frontside hard flips first, like frontside big flip. Yeah, I learned that first, and then from there it was like, oh, try that without turning your body. So that's how I did it. But Kralos is on another mission from God. Oh, Kralisius. You know, I heard that in the skateboarding community, if you smack your board on the ground repeatedly, like some sort of primal ape, it encourages your brethren. You got it right here. No, don't film him. He's pumped.
I almost like want to do it double 5 feet. I feel like it'd be so much easier.
Here, I got a trick. Oh my God. I swear I can do it every try. Oh. Hey, Craylon, try put your hat and turn it to the front. Yeah. It was on backwards.
Oh,
Yeah, it's like having your underwear on backwards. Unless your uncle's watching, there's no purpose. What did I tell you? The hat. The man underneath the hat. Perhaps the underwear beneath the man. Wow. I think the 3 is easier, but I don't know. Maybe it's easier for him down the 5. The Dark Lord himself. Not birthed as a man, but emerging from the ancient depths of the Earth's core. Evil Lord Craylon has risen to the 360 hard flip. The evil overlord himself, the almighty powerful Cthulhu, is ready to stick his first 360 hard flip here at Braille. I'm excited. I know you are. You got it, Cthulhu! Oh, the evil lord himself. He did it down the 3, though. Here he comes to save the day. Bo, you gotta open the gate before you do the Braille drop. You got it, Evil Lord. Oh, he almost landed it Bob Burnquist style. Bowie! Oh. 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 Evil Lord Cthulhu. Diabolicus Satanicus. Oh, Evil Lord. Wow. Evil Lord Cthulhu has graced us with a 360-degree hard flip. Oh, Craylon, yes.
Teammate.
Yeah, the student becomes the evil lord. That's how it works. Craylon, we love you,
What were you
Craylon.
guys talking about What's going on, dude? I'm trying to concentrate here, and I hear just you guys laughing hysterically in the background.
It's just funny how good you are at skateboarding. That's all there is to it.
Thanks, man. I did not think in my life I'd ever even attempt that trick, let alone land it, so thanks.
Post-land interview. Overlord Cthulhu, how do you feel?
Is that what you guys were saying? Oh my god.
Evil Overlord Cthulhu.
Evil. Oh,
to
it's
you.
All right, let me hear. All right, let's be serious. All right, you guys. Now that he landed the trick, I'm gonna ask Evil Overlord Cthulhu. All right, seriously.
These guys, yeah, like, they're supposed to be professionals.
Overlord.
I'm more of like an underlord.
He's an underlord because he's so short.
Overlord Cthulhu.
Dude, I can't take it, dude.
Underlord
My
Craylon.
We'll do this in like 30 seconds.
Underlord
They
Craylon.
look like they got a center.
Oh my god.
You know how red they
Underlord Cthulhu.
Prelude.
Really, Pastrana.
Okay, you guys.
Underlord
Craylon Pastrana. Oh my.
Ouch. It hurts. We're never gonna finish this video.
Oh my god. Dude, it hurts. I can't do this, dude. I can't do this.
Craylon, get back here.
Craylon, come on. Craylon, stop messing around. Craylon,
you're
stop
ruining
it.
This outro.
Come on, we're trying to be serious here.
Craylon, you're never gonna get this outro done with
Oh, goodness. Oh.
Mario.
Come here, Cthulhu.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay. All right. Oh man, that was rough. All right, Carlos. I know that you said you didn't think you would land this trick ever.
I
so
really didn't at
I'm
all.
sure you feel really sick right now.
Thanks to the man himself. Who thought like 2 inches of moving your front foot up would make it so much easier? See, that's why I listen to people who know their tricks, because those are the ones who could teach you thoroughly. I guarantee it.
Absolutely. So that was amazing. Jason Park is an incredible teacher and skateboarder, and you can follow him on Instagram in the link in the description below. Carlos Lastra is also an incredible teacher and also an incredible skateboarder. You can follow him in the description below as well. Click that link. And you can follow me if you want to. You know, I'm just a guy, but you can follow me too. Thank you guys for watching this video. Well done, Carlos.
Thank you.
Jason, you are hilarious.
Thanks, bro.
And Mario, I love you. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Check out Skateboarding Made Simple and come to our Braille House party on April 7th. Andy Schrock and Brian Ames will be there. So get your tickets now, brailleskateboarding.com. We're out of here. Goodbye.
Skateboarding made evil.